Hi, I'm Coach Melissa.
And I'm Coach Megan.
And this month we're showing you how to prep the most important meal of the day, breakfast.
That's right, these make-ahead breakfast sandwiches are great to freeze and reheat, so they're perfect for people who are busy. They can just grab and go on their way to work or school.
This excellent recipe can be found on our blog, Words of Wellness. Let's get cracking.
Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a small pan, heat the olive oil over medium-low heat. Add in your onion and bell pepper and saute for 3 to 5 minutes until translucent and tender. Then add your spinach and stir until wilted. Season with salt and pepper to taste and then set that aside.
Next, in a medium mixing bowl, whisk together egg whites and almond milk until the egg whites are fully beaten and incorporated. Season that with salt and pepper if you choose. Add your vegetables to the egg mixture and stir to combine.
Spray a 9 by 13 inch rimmed baking pan with cooking spray and pour that egg and vegetable mixture into the pan. Bake this until the eggs are fully cooked, and if you need to be sure, you can insert a knife into the center and it should come out clean. This takes about 25 to 30 minutes.
Remove the eggs from the oven and then let them cool to room temperature. While those are cooling, you can take your sandwich thins, put them on a baking sheet, and place them in the oven until the edges are just a little toasted for about 4 to 6 minutes.
Using a large drinking glass, cut the eggs into rounds to fit sandwich thins. Use leftover scraps to pile onto sandwiches or make extras.
Assemble the sandwiches by placing an egg round onto a sandwich thin, topping it with a slice of cheese, and then covering it with the other half of the sandwich thin.
Wrap each sandwich tightly with tin foil. Use a permanent marker to write down the date on top of the foil. Store wrap sandwiches in a Ziploc bag or container in the freezer.
To reheat them, place on a paper towel lined plate. That'll help absorb the ice melting. Heat in the microwave until the egg is fully heated and the cheese is melted. This should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes.
These sandwiches can last in the freezer for up to 1 month.